but also the expenses related to training staff and ongoing maintenance. However, it's essential to consider the long-term return on investment. Over time, these technologies can lead to increased efficiency, higher production rates, and reduced operational costs. Another significant concern is the potential displacement of human workers. The fear of losing jobs to machines is a real and pressing issue for many employees. As AI and robots take over tasks previously performed by humans, there are valid fears about job losses. This transition can be unsettling, especially for those in roles that are highly susceptible to automation. However, history has shown that technological advancements also create new opportunities. The Industrial Revolution, for example, led to the creation of entirely new industries and job roles. The key is to adapt and acquire the skills needed for the jobs of the future. Continuous learning and upskilling can help workers transition into new roles that these technologies create, ensuring a balanced and prosperous workforce. Section 4. Case Studies: AI and Robotics in Action. One compelling example of AI in manufacturing is in quality control. Companies like Tesla use AI-powered vision systems to inspect car parts for defects with remarkable accuracy. These systems can identify even the smallest imperfections, ensuring that only flawless components are used in the final product. In the realm of robotics, companies like Amazon have transformed their warehouses with the help of robots. These robots navigate vast warehouse floors, locate products, and bring them to human workers for packaging. This collaborative approach optimizes efficiency without entirely replacing the human workforce. Section 5. The Future Factory: Autonomous and Collaborative. The future of manufacturing lies in autonomous factories. These factories will be highly automated, with AI systems managing and coordinating every aspect of production. Robots will work alongside humans, each performing tasks best suited to their abilities. This collaborative environment will leverage the strengths of both humans and machines. Collaborative robots, or cobots, are designed to work safely alongside humans. They are equipped with sensors and safety features that prevent accidents. Cobots can assist human workers with physically demanding or repetitive tasks, reducing the risk of injuries and improving overall ergonomics. Section 6. A transformative future for manufacturing. AI and robotics are transforming the manufacturing industry, ushering in an era of unprecedented efficiency, quality, and flexibility. While challenges like cost and job displacement need to be addressed, the long-term benefits far outweigh the concerns. The future of manufacturing is intelligent, automated, and collaborative, promising a world where machines augment human capabilities, creating a more productive and sustainable future for all.